Aztecs, leading enterprise telecom brand.
So the small request to make this webinar run smooth. Please disable your video during the webinar. Of course, we always appreciate and request you during the question answer session. Please switch on your video and so that we will get more familiar with each other, and also your queries to be well answered for everybody's benefit. Please mute your mic to avoid any disturbance during the presentation, and also do not forget to type your questions on the chat option so that any query comes to your mind immediately. It has to be recorded, which definitely we will discuss during our question answer session. Thank you all in advance for your quality time for this webinar. Today, Aztecs, we have thought of this webinar, the topic Aztecs Contact Center Solution. With a small preview, we thought like the solution which gives us the highest revenue. Let us go back to the basics and to know what all the innovations, what all the changes, what all the modifications, what all the version advancement has come into the contact center solution, or we used to call it before as a call center offering from Aztecs. Okay, so here the presentation. Before the presentation, let me tell you a small agenda we have planned for today's webinar. It is like I will just take you, because many of you know the Aztecs Contact Center Solution, its functionalities, and a few of the modified screens you would have seen. So maybe initial 15 to 20 minutes we will walk through a small presentation, how exactly we are going to offer if somebody is new, or the benefit of people who joined this webinar recently, not attended this webinars before we have presented. Okay, and followed by that we will have a live demo session. We will get connected with a live server, and we will look into these functionalities. Some 4 or 5 functionalities we have brought on the agent screen, 4 or 5 dashboards and reporting matrix on the admin dashboard, that we will experience on a live scenario. And then we will go to the question answer session, where basically we will clarify if in case any further information or a query raised regarding our offering, or to make it more developed or advanced for us. Okay, so here let's start the contact center solution version 2021. Today's extracts of this webinar will be, what is the transformation from so-called a call center to making it to a advanced contact center solution. Okay, when we were managing only the telephony module, it was just limited to the call center. Now what we are trying to get collaborated with other applications, other island, and making it a contact center solution for our business. Okay, the interfaces and dashboards, of course I will show you few on the screen or screenshots, and also the live scenario, then the plugins and the integration scope with other smart applications for the collaborative functioning. Okay, so let me go next with and start with a very small introduction. What is a contact center solution? What is Aztecs offering to the business world? It is a right dialer as a custom for the customized business requirement, because every business requirement is different. Okay, so we are not dictator solution which we have developed something and we want all our user to do use of that. Rather than that, our solution is a customized requirement based solution which is designed for that particular client or particular client's business. Okay, it is an independent and intelligent software inbuilt. It comes, okay, with controls all the in and out, whether it is an inbound call or outbound calls, using various parameters or various script and algorithms. Okay, it could be specific for the process, it could be a campaign oriented, it could be a caller list creation basis, or a specific to the caller groups. It helps the business to reach wider target market in a less time. Okay, whereas we have also taken care of the dependency and the resource. Of course, every business works with the objective of making the margin. So we have taken care of the optimization of cost and reducing the dependency. Whereas predictive dialing, many power options of predictive dialing, progressive dialing, or in case if the business requires a basic go back model of manual dialing, all are inbuilt. All the call, whether we are making it or receiving and distributing into a range of agents, everything is inbuilt. Okay, so the very next is talks about the architecture. See, the architecture is a seamless architecture where we are not going to disturb the existing network of the business. Okay, it is going to sit and connected with the existing network over the LAN. Okay, and to get connected with the server, this is a true IP server. Trust me, it is a true IP server. So any IP terminal to get connected to our server, there is no interface, there is no gateway, there is no converter, nothing required. But in case if a business has some a special requirement of to get connected to a specific telephone line, be it a analog line, PRI line, SIP line, GSM, every channel available under the sky, we have made it the scope of integration or getting connected with our server. It is on the telecom side or the channel side, I swear, where we talk about the user side as well. Okay, if in case our team, our colleagues, they are sitting in front of a PC or laptop, there is no need of spending any money for the telephony additionally. Okay, there are soft phones available. Again, Aztecs is popular for its open source application and license free usage. So soft phones, again, without any additional cost, will get installed into the PC or laptop of your team, and your call center becomes robust and the call management starts. Okay, in case the business we are consulting, this business do not have their team sitting in front of a PC or laptop, no need to put them into the very, okay, I have to procure or I have to have budget for the application. Again, additionally, I have to have an additional budget for the users to get facilitated with a PC or laptop. No, not required. The Aztecs, we have our basic cost-effective phones, which also can manage your call center seamlessly with recording the calls, disposition, giving proper records and disposition, everything. Okay, so forget about the IP phone or soft phone, what we are talking. In case, assume a worst scenario of customer already has few analog phones. We have the connectivity ready. There are so many environments we have created for our clients where the basic analog phone, in case the customer already have, okay, rather getting into an additional budget of buying a phone or a PC or laptop, we can get connected to the analog phones and call center operation starts smooth. Okay. So let me go next to a agentless campaign. The Aztecs contact center solution helps you to optimize your outbound call operations. Okay, nowadays you see various ups and downs into the business, various type of environmental, like because of pandemic, because of recession, because of high demand, all that. So it helps you to make calls even without the call center agents or your representative physically sitting in front of the phone. Okay, it helps you to reach more customers. It helps you to reduce the workload, whereas drastically increases the efficiency of productivity. Okay, there is a small terminology you all would have come across, interactive voice response. So IVR, it automation and multi-layer scripts can be enabled to help your targeted customers to reach the particular team they want to join with. Okay, it creates automatic satisfaction surveys, or maybe post sales surveys, or helps to market research. Okay, so your agentless campaigns can be defined to create some satisfaction survey and post sales research as well. The personalized announcement, when we are talking about a agentless campaign, we may think like, okay, the machine announcements definitely much different, and that do not have that emotion to get reach into the targeted customers. Yes, not exactly a machine based announcement will come, but we can incorporate the personalized announcement in your own voice, in your own tone, in your own way you talk to your clients, to share the information and create the reminders. Okay, so the very next I will talk about the solution, contact center solution we offer to our business clients. It is not very specifically with any ill intention we talk about like, yeah, this is the solution, it can only help you for your inbound calls. This is the solution which can only help you for your outbound calls. This is only can manage this much calls. This will only manage this geography. Not like that. What the solution we are giving, Aztecs Contact Center solution, is have a wider scope, the kind of a call center or call management you want to use for, whether it is in, out, whether it is domestic, whether it is country specific, whether it is globe specific, everything can be managed well from a single solution. By whereas all the process can be specified, all these queues can be specified, all the in groups are specified, every data you need very neat and clean you can get for the specific campaign and specific in group. Okay, IVR we have already slightly discussed. So why it is a best dialing option? Because all these features comes inbuilt without any additional licensing for it. Okay, so IVR improves the call resolution speed because your customer reach to the desired team they want to reach, to the team who can talk their preference language. Okay, reduce the caller's waiting time and helps to route your customers to the right agent to speak. Okay, there could be like auto call distribution or smart routing is there. We can configure that to distribute the calls receive it evenly or equally to all the agents basis on their customer selection or the skill or the agent's availability. The way, as I told you, there are many power options or power modes we have given, like predictive dialing. See, predictive dialing is something which dial the multiple numbers, okay, as per the agent's login. And it takes into the consideration the pickup rate, the average call length, call duration, kind of data, and all these algorithms it takes and smartly design that when next I should make a call, so that this call is getting ready by the time our existing agent will finish the conversation and get into the call. Otherwise, what happens? Agent will finish the call, then again he has to wait for the dial tone, then again he have to dial the number, then when he is dialing he don't know whether number gets terminated to a answering machine, text message, all that way there are enough time goes. Okay, and time is the cost for the business. That's where this predictive dialing helps to save a lot of efforts and time. So preview dialing is there, priority dialing is there, where agents can preview the details for the next caller, whom I am talking to next, along with the history details. Okay, what is the personalized approach, or what is the modified conversation I want to talk to this customer. Accordingly, I have a preview before the calling happens. I have the details and I have my strategy and plans ready, what I am going to talk to this customer. I have already discussed with you about blended calling. Yes, this solution helps you to manage all your inbound and outbound calls. Okay, so in case if there are not much flow, or there are not queue is not that jammed, there are agents ideal, we can plan our shift, we can plan our operation, maybe we can ask people to dial out and reach out to our customer. That's during the call downtime, there is not enough call, so it is not like ideally I'm just sitting ideal and waiting for a call. Rather than I can look into the matrix and I can plan my shift, I can log into outbound campaigns, I can make few calls and reach out my target customer to increase my business revenue or making my business a profitable one. Okay, so I was talking about the collaborative functions, which really gives the business benefit. Is nowadays, if you talk about every business, I know here there are many business leaders are there, the client representatives who really handles much more responsibility for your business are there. So there are many smart applications one business today is connected through, whether we want it or not, but we are connected with, or we are dependent with, we are using many smart applications for different business motive. Okay, so how about the telephony also gets connected to that seamless applications and gives you the functionality? It handshake with your other applications and helps you to increase your business efficiency. Okay, so one could be a CRM integration. If your business, you already had some CRM, you are maintaining your application with some other smart data application, so make our contact center more functional, that it access the contact information, gives you on the dashboard, see the dial or interaction history, post calls, save the notes to the CRM, or which all helps to close the leads faster. And faster closure of the leads or prospective is nothing but the profit for the organization, which I'm sure every organization is interested for, every organization, every business is looking into. Okay, so help desk integrations we have done, which helps to integrate into your web-based help desk tools, so that agents can focus on their conversation and work more efficiently. Okay, we can schedule the callbacks. All this what we are talking about, like I am going little fast, as I told you, only 15 to 20 minutes we will look into these screens or the presentation, then the next 15-20 minutes we will have a live environment experience. Okay, so we can do WhatsApp integration, we can do integration with SMS, we can do email notification, which design and sends the personalized messages via integrated mail or maybe WhatsApp. Looking into the customer segment and target, we can plan this collaboratively. And if you look into what are the sectors where, yeah, we will have customers in almost every industry or every vertical, but where widely people has accepted us with our modified and customized capability is automobiles. If you look into this South India, probably every TVS center you go, you will find Aztec solution helping their day-to-day business very smooth and profitable. Like healthcare is there, like education is there, this NBFC and chit fund companies. Very recently, there are so many chit fund and NBFC companies, collection agencies who are using this solution, and actually they have overwhelmed and given their testimony that the changes and transformations they have found after using these solutions. Okay, so I will go next to say before we get into the dashboard and screens is, please do understand and talk to all your clients that in case the administrator, in case the process owner is not there in your premise to monitor the call center activities, we have the fast Android based agent monitoring application, which works almost all Android based devices, where also you can do the real-time monitoring, how many agents log in, agents are ready mode, agents calls are queue, everything you can really supervise from your mobile, from your Android mobile screen. Okay, so these are the dashboards, but as I told you, this is just a walkthrough. I will take you through these dashboards, but The agenda for today's webinar is next 15-20 minutes. We will spend our quality time on a live environment to see the user screen, what all we have for our clients, what all we can offer to the mid and large business organizations, enterprises, and also some 4-5 things on the administration of the dashboard, which collates all the required information and gives you with a graph, statistics, and percentage, all that, which helps you to plan your shift and business. Okay, on the agent screen, probably these are agent login, pause, active, then transfer, conference, dispositions, scheduling, callback, call queues, call priorities, active callbacks from the agent screen, looking into the call history, then missed calls to attendance on the priority. These are few things I have listed to show you during my demonstration. While on the agent dashboard, admin dashboard, we will look into the real-time reports, the voice blast configuration of email and alerts. Okay, then attending the missed call. So before rather I take your any more time on this presentation, let me go back to the presentation live scenario. Okay, hope you all can see the screen.
Yeah, Amulya, please proceed.
Yes. Okay, so let me take one of the server access. Okay, this is the screen where we will do a phone login. We have to give the details of our phone. Then a user itself has an user ID or a login ID. I am giving the user login ID, and I have to select one campaign, and then I submit to get into the calls. Okay, soon so it is connected. This ensures that yes, the application and the phone is connected. Now the application call center application is connected with the phone. Okay, so this is just to ensure the bridge between the call center and the phone we are using. It could be a IP phone or a soft phone. Okay, now just a second. Soft phones, you would have seen many. So we have installed one soft phone here. Okay, then I got into the queue. I have added to the queues I supposed to, and then I come here to the login page. Okay, here in this login page, as per the requirement, we can modify the screens, and there are at least some 15 to 20 different screens we have. So it suits to the exact industry and the vertical. Okay, so when we talk about the modification scope, it is like as per the business requirement, we can change it. Okay, we can add the number of fields we want. We can reduce if in case the fields are not required, or we can any like color, theme, everything we can change as per the customer requirement. Okay, so once we come here, what is there are also new screens we are soon to release. Maybe once it is fully tested, we will show it to you. So let's see on the agent screen. You see, the moment I log in here, okay, you see there are the missed calls. These are the numbers which comes with a alert to me. These are the numbers I have missed the call from them. So the moment I come here, it is my priority to attend to the guest who has tried to reach me. Okay, maybe they could not reach me. There are multiple attempts they have done. So I come next here just with a single click. Okay. See, the missed call is now getting connected. You see, so I could get connected with the number. Yes, sir.
Yeah, hello.
Yeah, can you hear me? You were trying to reach our business after our office yesterday. So this is a call from XYZ company. Okay. And once I have disconnect. Yeah. Okay, and you see here, once I talk to that number is now out of my list. Okay, if in case there are multiple numbers, multiple attempts are there, once I call them, all the numbers will go out of that list. Okay, so this is, if there is a missed call, I can call it from the agent screen. Okay, then if I wish to look for the call history, I have to mute it. I have done hang up, and maybe I will I'm not interested or no answer, I submit it. Okay, then again I am here. The next thing what we would like to see it is a history. Okay, so let me go to view call logs. Okay, this I can see with the length, time, okay, number, source, the call history on the agent screen itself. Okay, then close call log. Okay, we will go to the any active callbacks. Assume if during the disposition I have scheduled some callbacks. Okay, so I can go here and we can see to the active callbacks. Okay, so we have seen the missed calls to callback from the agent screen, calls history from the agent screen, then active callbacks. Okay, then let's see. I will, if anybody can dial the number, I would like to receive few calls. And,
വരുന്നുണ്ടോ ഇല്ലെന്ന് ചോദിക്കും ഇനിയിപ്പോ.
yeah, see, I would be receiving and making the priority of the calls. Okay, yeah, please dial the number. See, now you can see calls in queue is 1. I already have 1 call. Let me answer the call. Okay, 1 call I have answered. Yeah, now we are connected. Then assume while I am on call, I am receiving 1 more call. I will dial 1 number. Yeah. Yeah, anybody want to try also can try. It is a number 080-6640-6674. You see again 1 more call in queue. Okay, so if I see this is a priority call for me, then I have an option to re-queue the call. Okay, so the first call is now got into hold. You can see here down. Okay, so the number priority call, I was earlier talking to the number ending with 545. Now assume I have received a call, the number ending with 888. Okay, so I want to take this call, so I can take this call. Okay, now this call is connected. Okay, so after I attend this call, I can hang up this customer, or during this conversation also, once I attended this call, I want to go back to my previous call, I can go back, I can attend accordingly. Okay, so we have seen the priority of re-queuing the calls. Okay, let me hang up the call and schedule it as this time. I will schedule it as a call back, so that we can say how the callback can be scheduled. You see here, let's say I will schedule it for tomorrow 6 p.m. and I have an option to choose whether it is only mine callback or it would be a in-group or queue callback. And I also have an option that with the text I can put the comments for this callback. I can select upon a date and time. Okay. Yeah, callback and submit. Okay, so callback is scheduled. Okay, so we have seen the call disposition. We have seen scheduling the callback. Okay, we have seen priority calling. We seen the calls in queue, and we have seen the calls history, and we were able to do or the missed calls calling from the agent screen. Basically, what we have come across the customers, these are few functionalities a business of mid segment business is looking to manage from the call center. The same way, now let us do some outbound calling and look into how this transfer and conference option happens. Can I have somebody's number to make a call? Please tell me the number. Yeah, give me a number.
Yeah, you can take my number, Amulya, 988
988
691
691
4806.
4806. It is for the benefit of the ladies who are there in this webinar. This is Mr. Binny's number, and somebody who don't have his number, now this is the number become public, and we all can reach with our queries and requests to Mr. Binny's. Okay, Mr. Binny's, thank you for the number. Now hope your phone is ringing. You have, I request you to please answer the call.
Yeah, 1 minute.
Yes.
Yeah, I got the.
Yeah, we can see that you have attended, because earlier the screen, it was no call and it was in gray in color. Now it has turned green and it is
So I
showing
can say the call.
live call, and also the countdown timer started. Okay, so now I can talk to Mr. Binis over the webinar and over his mobile as well. Mr. Binis, hope you can hear me.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay. Thank you. So assume, please be on the call. If it is disturbing you, please put on mute. Please be on the call. So what all can happen? Suppose for an example, I am talking, I'm an your office agent and I'm talking to your guest. What can happen? The scenarios could be like the guest wanted some information which probably I don't have for now. So I need to talk to my supervisor, or I need to refer some documents and get the information required. So without putting any confusion for the caller or your business client, I can put them into park call. And when I have parked the call, I think you would be listening to some music. Okay, Mr. Binis, you are getting that music?
Yes, hold music.
Yes, this is a whole music, that is few sample musics we give during every installations. But yes, if our business has an announcement, let's say our office is open or admission started or there is some discount, all that we can play during the call is parked. The call is on hold. Assume the time I have taken, guest is also confident, he is connected with the call center and his queries will be resolved. While I can also put my marketing announcements or my cordial announcements or my business greetings, office greetings for my guest. Now I got the required information for this guest, what they wanted for. Now I can grab back the call. So again, we are connected onto the voice call participation for exchange our conversation. Okay. What also can happen is during this call, okay, I may have to transfer the call to a senior person or some of my other colleague, okay, or my manager. So I have to transfer the call. You can see on left there is transfer and conference we have given. So I come here for the transfer call. Okay, I already has given. Assume if there is an internal member or any other agent in my office, I can select here, all the agents list will come and I can dial to them. Otherwise, I can put the number and then I can dial. And when I am trying to do a call transfer or conference, I have all the options as well available with me. Like I can do a blind transfer, the call will get to the supervisor and I am free. I am relieved from this call and ready for my next call. I can do dial with customer. That means all three would be in a active participation and all three can talk to each other. Okay. And also I can do park the customer and dial. So let me do a dial with the customer. Okay. Yeah. So now again, this call is trying to get connected. Yeah. Second. 9742.
So you're transferring my call.
Yeah. Okay. So now received a call. I will hang up and we will do another call. This time also let me
Got hanged up.
just, yeah. I have hanged up the call. Let me do some. Last one. This is the number 459. So let me dial this number. Okay, dial. Mr. Binish, please answer the call. Yes, please answer.
Hi,
And put on mute.
Nitin.
Yeah, Nitin. Be on call. I am taking you to the conference call with Binish. Okay. Binish, can you please tell me again your mobile number once more?
988
988
691
691
4806.
4806. I also have an intention that so everybody should remember your number so that our future
I'm
demands
getting.
will be easily get fulfilled. Okay. So you have received a call, sir. Please answer.
Okay.
Yeah. So now just say hello for our participants.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah. So Nitin, you can
Hi.
like we are actually in a conference call. So we all three can actively participate in the conversation. Okay. So after this, for an example, I want to hang up the call. I again go back to the hang up customer and I can end the call for all three. Or if I required, like only the call I have transferred to my supervisor, my boss, my information bank. So I got the information. Now I want to disconnect the call only with Binish. Still, I would like to continue with the guest. I will hang up the expert line. So now Mr. Binish got disconnected, but Mr. Lidin and me, we are still into the live call. Okay, Lidin, thank you so much. You can disconnect the call or we are disconnecting your call. Okay, so now hang up the customer and we have dispositions as I have told you. Maybe I will so put it as done. Okay, and submit. Okay, again, I am back. I am ready for my next call. So these are few inbound and outbound features, what exactly the customer is looking for, unless until there are something very specific reason that also can be discussed, and accordingly we can design the architecture. We can bring into those functionalities over our solution. Okay, let me now go back and do a show you the admin dashboard. Okay. Give me a second. I will log into the admin dashboard. You'll make it better. Give me a tab. New tab. I will just. Okay, so 1.42. Okay, so now I will take you to the admin panel. Okay, so I have to give the admin ID and the password. Okay, login. Okay, so it is, I will just move out this down. Okay, you can see the real-time dashboard. Okay, so this is the dashboard which gives you the entire your call center activities in front of your screen. How many agents has logged in, how many agents are on call at the moment, how many of them are in pause mode. Okay, so all the activities of entire your call center operation, how many campaigns are there, how many active or how many are inactive at this moment, entire information you are getting it here with the proper percentage matrix with different color code with which helps you to look into the number. Okay, how many number of calls answered, how many number of calls dropped. If you see here 16 calls dropped, yes, I can plan exactly accordingly, like why this 16 number of calls has been dropped. Is there any challenge with the telephone line, or is there not sufficient agents available? All these matrix I am getting into the dashboard in front of my screen. And if you have noticed, it also gets refreshed with a very less interval. So see, any smart application we are using that can give you a matrix from a particular time to particular time, or a particular this date to this date. But what is in front of your screen, what we are now looking at, this is a real-time supervision of your activity monitoring. It is not any report from this time to this time. This is the real-time matrix what you are seeing on your screen. Accordingly, you can plan the shift, you can ask people to log in, you can ask additional people to log into the particular process. Everything can be really monitored well, which helps the business to bring in the efficiency here. You see it gets refreshed here on this dashboard. Also, I have as I told you, some couple of things I wanted to show you. If we go to the reports, okay, real time, we go to the reports. Okay, we have very specifically brought in the inbound reports separately, outbound reports separately. Okay, so we go here and you see the matrix, like very nicely it tells you on your snap, like okay, 62 calls is being answered, there are 36 calls which are dropped, which is the agent who have taken the calls, which what is the call length, average call length, what is the total length of the call, what is the duration, total duration, and it also gives you, see for an example, how many calls between 0 to 15 seconds, because assume in our process the ideal average call length should be 30 to 60 seconds. So we are seeing that this 0 to 15 seconds, because this is a demo server, there are yes many calls we have just connected and dropped, or we have disconnected, hang up. That is how the percentage is not very encouraging here, 80%, 0 to 15 seconds. But if you see on a real-time production scenario, if you can get into this matrix, other than that, I have to take so many parameters, I have to somewhere calculate, or I have to somewhere put into a Excel sheet, then to highlight who are the agents not performing well, or whether there is some technical glitch with the network or the telephone line. Rather me doing all that and get into this information is handy and in front of me, that yes, 0 to 15 seconds, there are 80% of the calls has been 0 to 15 seconds call duration, or there are calls around 4% which has more than 60-second call duration. Assume my process is something like that, I have to just ask 1-2 questions, which usually should not take more than 30 seconds, or should not take more than 60 seconds. Whereas I can see here that yes, there are calls which has unnecessary has exceeded 60 seconds. That means agents are not talking sense, or maybe unnecessary discussions are going on. All the parameters, see, results could be process oriented, process specific, but this matrix, the figures 1 + 1 is 2, or if it is 2, what is less than 2, what is more than 2. These figures bringing into the real-time supervision of a dashboard really helps the business and increase the efficiency. The same way, if you wish to look the outbound, you see, when we go to the outbound report, again, it very clearly says like that, okay, who is the agent performing better, what is the total duration of his call, what is the average call length for the agent, who are the performing agents we have for today. Okay, with a proper call graphics, like average call length, if you see, it is around 30 seconds. Total calls what we have attended is 59. Okay, demo server. So don't go with a particular figure, but if you see what all parameters, what all information you are getting it handy in front of your screen to monitor or to increase the efficiency of your call center activities. Okay, when you look into the agent's performance, okay, we can go to the agent's performance screen and look into like who are the agent doing better, what is the call time, what are the dispositions they have made. Basis on the disposition, see, while we made few calls some time back, while on the agent screen we have given the disposition not interested, not interested. So everything is very nicely, it is being captured, and how many calls is being answered, what is the total talk time, what is, even if you see here, it also gives the agents activities on the basis of the like distributions made, what is the call time. We have given parameters, and we can bring in more parameters as per the customer requirement to give the exact matrix how your call center is performing today. Okay, so on the dashboards, we have few other dashboards, but I will not take your more time to show all the dashboards. But what I basically mean to say is, like, with all confidence, we can say this is the application, which is a very smart application. It gives you all the required information on your supervisory screen, rather than to take few information, then to give some formulas or algorithm, and then to use some other application to bring in some productivity measure. All the productivity measure is in front of your screen. Okay, so the same way, if you let me go to voice blast. Okay, the agentless campaign we were talking about. If you go here, see, the IVRs are been defined, timeouts been defined, and like we can just upload. You can see here. See, we have to just add the list, and we can get into the agentless campaigns can be managed. If you want to see the campaigns, yes, demo server, we have one test campaign. Okay, so it is created yesterday. So giving the details of your caller, life status. Okay, all the information. If you want to be here, you can see. If you want to add some campaign, just go here with a few clicks, you can add 1 or 2 campaigns as per your requirement. If you want to bring in any modifications or advancement into the IVR, yes, in the front end itself you can do, or our 24/7 call center support center is always eager and interested to receive your calls to bring in the modification what you need. Okay, so the one more thing is like configuring this holiday IVRs. Okay, so example, if you want to configure a holiday login, you just go here, you can log into the holiday holiday, or if you want after office, you can configure it here. Okay, so you can select after office hour or holiday, you go here. Okay, for an example, maybe 15th August or 1st November in the state we are operating from our head office, we have our state celebration day. So we can configure, and we can attach the voice file. We want to announce for the people who calls on that day to us and submit. It's like very handy, and it's in on the front end. So every time there is a special occasion, assume you have a Diwali, you have a New Year, you can configure the voice files as per your choice, as per your choice. Okay, so now I will also show you one more interesting thing. What we have brought here is alert configuration. Okay, if you go to the alert configuration, you can configure the mail IDs, whereas the event notifications or alerts you want, you can configure here. Okay, I will not get into the details how exactly you have to configure. Other that training we will be giving you, or you can reach out our support center who will help you that 1 minute configuration to add mail IDs for event notification and alert. But we can configure the notifications or configure the event notifications alerts here. Okay, so I hope like voice logger screen, many of you would have seen it, but just take 1 minute time. I will give you a glimpse of the voice logger. Okay, see, all the conversation is being done, is recorded very nicely with a proper GUI to search, with a search option that I can search with the source, I can search with the number, I can search with the destination, I can search with the date, time, duration, whatever I want, with the option to have play, delete or download. But as we are in the admin page, downloading here is I can just download one file, but I have a download option here. I can reach here, I can select any date, from which date to which date I want the voice files to be downloaded, and I can download a zip file. Okay, reports we have one. Okay, last but not the least, you can see we have this Android application what we were discussing. So we have the world's best and first Android based application, which is again comes to all your customers without any additional cost. We are really happy if somebody is using open source contact center application, be it from Aztecs or designed or developed by anybody else. We are very happy to give this application without any additional cost, where entire the supervision of the call center activities, like what we have seen. Okay, how many agents are there, ready mode, calls in queue, pause mode, everything we can just monitor them from a Android mobile phone. Any almost all the Android models and application versions are compatible, and you can monitor all your call center activities from your Android mobile phone. Okay, so I think we are like time has some limitations, so that is next we should go into the question answer session. Okay,
Thank you so much, Amulya, for your wonderful presentations and for the live demo. Okay, we will be moving to the question and answer sessions, where we will be answering each and every questions which is being put by the participants. So, okay, by first questions has come from Mr. David Anthony. David Anthony, you can unmute and you can just
yes, we request.
How do we train our clients after installation? Mr. Anthony, you can unmute yourself and you can come on the online itself. Yeah, I hope David, Amulya, you have got the question. How do we train our clients?
Yeah, if he is available. Yeah, if he is available, I just want to know what exact training he is looking for. But in general, let me try to answer his query. The training portion, what he wanted, every installation comes with a training as well. Okay, so with every installation completion, we have a training schedule where all this L1 configuration for the basic configuration, connectivity, changes, enabling, disabling, that is being given, training is imparted. Okay, so
Well,
yeah, please, sir, please.
yeah, good morning.
Good morning, David. Yeah, please tell.
Yeah, my question is not really, after the training, one thing is that clients always want to interface with the physical person that install it. So how do we do that? Because I believe that we're supposed to enhance on it so that whenever there is a minor issues, we'll be able to run around and get it done. Because that's one of the major challenges we normally have. Like most of my installations that I've done so far with some of my clientele, most time when they have issues like that, it's very difficult for us to access
Okay.
or calling
So-
and it takes time.
Yeah, so David, you are talking about the technical training, right? For initial troubleshoot of the issues.
Yes. Initial troubleshoot that when there is, and now if it's beyond us, then we put it across, but at least we would have remedied the small situation on ground. So those are the
Okay.
things.
So we do have a program based for our partners where we arrange the technical, the basic technical training program to troubleshoot the initial issues. But the criteria is that we should have a sizable installation in that particular area, right? Yeah. So once we have a sizable, installation under that particular partner or franchisee, then we will arrange a small basic technical training for them to take care of the technical issues, the first response, right? Level 1 support. So David, very soon we should be able to do it for you.
Okay, fine, that's fine then.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mr.
Thank you,
Binish.
Mr. David.
Yeah, the next question has come from Mr. Gentil Mapendo. When we buy the call center device, does it come already?
Does it come already with the software pre-installed?
Software, yeah.
Yeah, Mr. Dentil, like that's what during my presentation as well, I have mentioned it. Whatever the functionalities we have talked now, we have shown it here, demonstrated here. This all comes inbuilt without any intention of selling any additional user license or a specific module you have to buy to enjoy these functionalities. All these functionalities are by default our offering. It's inside the package.
I hope, Mr. Gentil, you have your query has been answered. So moving to the next question has come from Mr. Rasdi Khan. Is there any plan? Yeah, Mr. Gentil.
Yeah, thank you for your answers. It's good.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you so much. Yeah, next question is Mr. Rajnikant. Is there any plan to redesign a current Ascent screens?
Hi Rajnikant. It's like it's really nice and very interesting for many people in this webinar. Yes, the strive is to make it more better. The strike is to make it more interesting and lucrative. So the work is on, and very soon, very soon, we will be giving you many attractive options of Agent Screen.
Hi, Mr. Rajnikant. I hope your query has been answered. If you are online, you can just switch on the video as well.
Yeah, we would like to see you. We would like to see Pune.
Hi, Mr. Rajnikant. Are you there?
Your voice is not audible.
I think he is on mute. I think.
Yeah.
Okay, he is Mr. Rajnikant from Pune, doing very nice. Though his association with Aztecs is for a couple of years only, but the rich Pune market or our market share in Pune region, it is he who had made it much better.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Amolya. So let's move on to the next question. The next question is coming from Mr. Vijay. Some customers feel that our report dashboard are quite attractively designed, while the Ascent screen has to scale up in terms of layout and colorfulness. Can we improve the Ascent screen page?
Yes, Vijay. I think while talking to Gentil and Rajnikant, I have answered a portion of your suggestion. Yes, the way it is like somewhere the work, it is an ongoing process. Okay,
it's a work in progress. Okay.
Yeah, it is, we get feedback from customers and accordingly we make it ready for the customers. So yes, as not only the admin portion is lucrative and the work has stopped, yes, to make it the overall application look more better.
Attractive, yeah.
Exactly, yeah, attractive. The work is on and you will be seeing it.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Yeah, the next question is again from Mr. Rajnikant. Can we reuse already the customized code in a new installation? For example, suppose we have already customized the code for debt collection agency. Can we reuse the same code for new customer, which is a debt collection agency?
Yeah, even Rajnikant, to some extent, I will say yes. But again, even if it is a debt collection agency, the process owner want it in a different way. So on those cases, we have to take care and we have to understand exactly whether it is same to same 100% copy of what we have already done for our previous customer. This customer or this business also has the same demand. Otherwise, what all that small changes required, we have to clearly understand and we can use definitely. Whatever already done, there is a repository, there is the R&D also maintains it, what all customization modifications we do, that can be reused. Yes. And
yeah. Oh, go ahead, Amulya.
Yeah, Binis, I think you can add something you wanted to.
No, I think that is complete. I thought you finished it. I think NP Singh has raised his hand, maybe.
Yeah.
If he's available.
Mr. NP Singh, you can unmute and
जी
yeah.
मैं कॉल सेंटर बिजनेस में हूँ. हमारा अब उड़ीसा के अंदर में 70 सीट का कॉल सेंटर चल रहा है. उस रनिंग कॉल सेंटर में आपको सॉफ्टवेयर का यूज करने पर क्या कॉस्टिंग आएगी? दूसरी बात है 20 सीटर कॉल सेंटर पटना में अभी एस्टेब्लिश करने जा रहे हैं, तो उसके लिए क्या कॉस्टिंग पड़ेगी?
Mr. Singh, on the outset, I would like to thank you so much for joining this webinar, and I'm sure that very sincerely you have looked into the functionalities we have demonstrated and you are showing your interest instantly. So thank you, बहुत शुक्रिया ये सब के लिए. और ये कॉस्टिंग की बात में ये फोरम पे सिर्फ एक ही बात आपको बोल सकता हूँ, because it is our vision itself to make these license-free applications to everybody's reach. So it will not be too costly, but exactly how much it will cost, looking into the exact requirement and requirement sheet, then the respective region in charge can immediately tell you what is the costing. But be assured that it is not going to cost you much. It is not like entire business budget you have to just put on the call center. Okay.
अभी आपका कुछ हार्डवेयर हमारे पास इंस्टॉल है.
हाँ सर, हाँ.
FSCO वगैरह. हाँ. हमारे 4 कॉल सेंटर के अंदर में एस्टेब्लिश्ड है.
जी सर.
ठीक है. 5वां भी हम लोग लेने के प्लान कर रहे थे. तो चूंकि ये वेबिनार में हम देखा, हमने बहुत सारे कुछ बेनिफिट. दूसरी बात टाटा का और एक्सोटेल में क्या अंतर है आपके सॉफ्टवेयर से? Tata भी provide करता है.
Sir, like it is not exactly like what exactly I am comparing to, but when you have talk about those other providers, they could be one of our customer. That means the solution what they can give, it is just a part of that. If you do not have the liability, if you don't know, if you don't want to manage your operation, all that way they can only help you. But we can help you to overall give you a right hardware, give you the required application, and support you then after for 24/7. We are there. That is our expertise. हम लोग उसी के लिए आपके साथ हैं. ठीक है?
जी, अच्छी बात है. हमें बस एक्सोटेल का मैं यूजर हूँ और टाटा का.
हाँ.
मिस्टर संजय आपके यहाँ जो मार्केटिंग में है,
हाँ सर,
वो हमें सपोर्ट करते हैं.
जी सर.
एक बार प्लीज किसी को भेजिए या बात कराइए जिससे कि हम.
जरूर सर, जरूर. हम लोगों का ब्रांच है, झारखंड में भी ब्रांच है. आपका नियरेस्ट लोकेशन जो भी हमारा ब्रांच है, हम ब्रांच से रिप्रेजेंटेटिव भेजेंगे.
झारखंड में हमारा तो बिजनेस झारखंड में भी है, उड़ीसा में है, पंजाब में है, बिहार में है.
कोई नहीं सर, हमारा भुवनेश्वर में भी ऑफिस है. ओके, झारखंड में भी ऑफिस है. हम नियरेस्ट ऑफिस को कनेक्ट करेंगे और मैं ये आपका डिटेल्स भी नोट करके रखता हूँ. वेरी सून वी विल रीच यू एंड गिव यू द एप्रोप्रिएट सोल्यूशन यू वांट. ओके, आपको जैसा चाहिए वैसा सोल्यूशन हम डिजाइन करके आपको देंगे.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, हमें 20 सीटर पटना में लगाना है, 10 से 15 दिन के अंदर में हमें आप संपर्क कीजिए।
थैंक यू सर, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आपका इंटरेस्ट के लिए, आपका टाइम के लिए।
मैं
थैंक यू
15 साल से इसी बिजनेस में हूँ, कॉल सेंटर
जी
बिजनेस
सर,
में।
जी सर, जी सर, जी सर, या
ठीक।
Thank you, Mr. NP Singh. Thank you, Mr. Amulya and Bilish. Now, moving to next questions is again from Mr. David Anthony. How do we get a demo for a partner self practice?
I think demo is not an issue because we have demo servers on cloud, we have demo servers on premise, and also I think in our partner office and franchisee offices, we can give the infrastructure for which would be sufficient to demo all the features.
Yes.
Yeah, we can
So,
hear you. Go ahead.
Yeah.
Not be a problem. Okay.
Okay. Okay. I hope, Mr. David, you have got your queries.
Mr. David, also this is a web application, so need not to be very like where exactly the server is located with. So demo, we have a public server, you will have all the credentials, so you can give at any point of time a demo required, you can organize it of your own, or if you need somebody from Bangalore to help you for the demonstration, please reach us or write us so that somebody from Bangalore also accompany you during the demo.
Hi, David. I hope you receive your queries. It's been replied back. Okay. Next, moving to the next questions is from Gazendiran G. He said, can we connect and customize a multiple client project by using an auto dialer in an outbound without any interference with one another?
Just repeat the question again.
Can we connect and customize the multiple client project by using the auto dialer in outbound without any interference with one another?
Yeah, that is what we have shown. It can be integrated. We can customize multiple projects, multiple process, multiple in groups. We have customers. To be a little interesting, sir, we have a client who does the call management outsourced for Pizza Hut, also for Domino's. So from one place, one location, both these processes are being managed.
Okay, Mr. Jasendra, if you are online, you can unmute.
Whatever is your number of campaigns, number process, whatever number of process, it has to be just configured or created as one campaign. Multiple campaigns can be managed with one solution. You need not to have multiple solutions to manage multiple processes.
Okay, now my question is, hello?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yeah,
it's audible?
Yeah,
yes.
Okay, fine. This is Gajendran from ROK IT. So my question is, see, while doing this auto dialer in outbound process, so there are many projects. So, while doing this, uploading the data in the backend, so could you is any possibilities that, because we can't able to share the customer details to one project to another project. So by default, by mistake, is any possible that it happens?
No. It is when you are uploading your list ID, it is definitely campaign specific.
Okay.
Yeah. There is no need to fear for that. There is no fear.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you, Mr. Jasendra. Thank you, Mr. Amulya. Okay, next, moving to the next questions is from Nicholas. I also appreciate if you share a system demo afterwards.
Sir, whatever demo you want, we are very happy to get connected with you, getting engaged with you and working together. So whatever demo you want, whatever form you want, we can definitely give you blindly without taking this approval. My answer to your query is a big yes.
Hi, Mr. Nicholas, if you're online, you can unmute. If you have any further questions, you can ask. So I hope your query has been received. So, okay, this is the last questions for this session. We'll be waiting another 1 or 2 minutes. If anybody has a further query, you can just unmute yourself and ask the queries to the concerned expert team.
Yeah, it's an open forum.
Yeah.
Like we can, before anybody leaves up the webinar, I would like to thank you, all of you, for your time and participation. If like somebody is really with a busy schedule, they need to jump into some other activity or some task, people may join. Otherwise, the people available, whatever queries you have, whatever feedback you have, let's have it.
Yep. So either you can raise your hand so that we can connect with you. No need of typing it. Yeah, Prabhat Mishra, please go ahead. If you can share your video, it would be nice. Ha, Prabhat. Nice to see you. Prabhat, you are not audible.
Maybe you are on mute, Prabhat. We can't hear you, Mr. Prabhat.
Hi,
No,
Mr. Prabhat. Are you audible to us?
Okay, now Prabhat removed his headphone, so he cannot hear us also.
Yeah,
Prabhat, you're on loudspeaker.
We are not able to hear anything.
Sorry, we can't hear you, Prabhat.
You just check your phone, sir, your phone.
Okay, sorry, maybe we, okay.
Okay, Mr. Prabhat, we request you, please reach us maybe once.
Let him connect. Anybody else? We will connect back to you, Prabhat. Yeah, okay. Anybody else wanted to discuss?
I think.
Yeah. Either everybody got it very correctly, what we wanted to share.
Yeah. So thank you so much for your time and attending this webinar sessions. We will be coming up with new exciting topic for in the next month again with the webinar. Please do join us. And if anybody has missed out the session or everybody has joined lately, we'll be sharing you the recording of this webinar. And please do reach us at info@astix.com for your further queries or for your any requirements. Thank you so much. Thank you, Mr. Amulya. Thank you, Mr. Binish, for your presentations and for the advices that has been reached and all the queries has been answered. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Thank you all.
Thank you so much.